What's up, Lnspltrs? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on the Sissy bar. So I got these made by Bill from Roland Metalworks, and it's gonna be looking like this. First, I gotta make tabs for the frame, and then tabs for the rods. So I have this extra tab that I'm gonna use for the Sissy bar, but I only have one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the exact same one using this piece. So they're about the same size and same thickness too. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slug this out, and then so this bar will insert into here. You know what I'm saying? So cut like this and put this in. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna bend this piece in right here, bend it in and curve it up. So I have this torch right here that's gonna take like 3 hours and heat it up and bend it. But then Mike over here saved me with his crazy ass torch.
And it's settling oxygen, guys. This is the way to do it.
Okay, we got the right side done. Now we're gonna move to the left side.
Put up and
So we just finished the Sissy bar. Thanks to Mike for helping me. Without him, I'll probably take like a couple days. What do you think, man?
Hell yeah, I love it. It looks badass. Wait till it's finished.
Yeah, it's not done completely because I want to add more stuff to it. But the hard part's done pretty much. So this is the mock-up. So this one's gonna be like this. I'm gonna chop it up right here. And like this, and the center is gonna be the highest. Okay, next I'm gonna take this piece right here, and then I'm gonna put it right here. All right, next I'm gonna be drilling a hole right here on top of this, and then chop this piece right here, and then insert it in, and then weld it up, so I can screw on this doorknob. I think I got a little carried away. I wanted to like some type of medieval weapon. So I have these old struts that I don't need anymore. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna chop this off right here and right here, and then use it for the current Sissy bar. Okay, next I gotta make a bracket for the tail light and license plate. Just got the tail light and license plate on. But yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys next time.